I really want to talk about special pieces. That yoga brand. My life quality just like went pew. I do enjoy the shark logo. Hi friends, my name is Molly, and today I wanted to share with you my little decluttering experiment. So I take yoga pretty seriously. I'm a pretty new person to yoga. I started a year and a half ago to do yoga every day, and ever since, yoga clothing has been playing a very big role in my daily life. I move in it a lot, and also I needed to make me feel good about my body. So I think there's a lot of requirements, and in the modern world of workout environment being a very marketable place, it's very easy to get lost. It's hard to get rid of some things and just admit that they do not work for me, but because you are with me, I'm gonna be more brave and not be sneaky about keeping stuff that don't work for me. Yeah, let's go. Let me collect my things. Let's find everything. No one's gonna hide. Let's go! I think it's a good start to count how many items I have. 2, 12, 13, 16, almost forgot, 17. Some might say it's too much, some might say it's not enough. I have 3 categories of how those things got into my possession. Thrifted them, donated to me by my friends and family, or I bought them new online or in the store. I'm gonna start with this piece. I actually really like this one. I got it off the Doll's Kill website. Never again. But I don't know, I really liked it. I actually got it initially for Eric, but he turned out to be too skinny for it and it looked better on me. So it's kind of like this jacked person shirt. It's very comfy. Haven't had too much use out of it yet because I think it's more of a summer piece, but I like it and I enjoy wearing it. I think I'm gonna keep it because it's like one loose shirt I sort of have that I can just throw on over my sports bra and wear it. So yeah, I'm gonna keep it. I really like it. I feel really jacked in it. I really want to cut off the tag. I want to keep it minimal. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. My usual instinct would be to rip it off, but we don't do that anymore. Anyway, we shall proceed. Okay, so this item. This is it, Gymshark. My favorite color, green. So I got this off a girl online, so I thrifted it. Very good price, not like the original price. And I thought this is gonna make me happy. This was when I first got into yoga and I was still kind of between gym and yoga sort of mindset. I bought it definitely because of the hype. And this is a very good example of me keeping it just because this is a cool branded thing that made me feel like belonged to that Gymshark community. You probably noticed its influence over the whole workout communities. Yeah, this definitely made me feel good about having it in terms of belonging to that crowd, but also made me feel very miserable about my body because I just do not look like people who usually wear it. And I guess with buying that item, you always have that picture of looking certain way in it because it's been advertised that way. It's supposed to make me feel like I have a butt. It looks kind of good, especially if I try. But the thing is, I try for those leggings way too hard. Like, I'm working for these leggings. This awkward sort of high waist, but it's like this very thin band restricts me in a way. I'm not reaching for it because it's not really that comfortable. It just doesn't look good on me and I feel like it's not me. I've been keeping them around even though I wasn't wearing them much for the reason that they are Gymshark. Thank you for being here to motivate me to get rid of them. I'm definitely gonna ask some friends if they want them because they're new leggings. Okay, those got donated to me. I got them from my sister-in-law. Very old leggings. The only reason why I'm gonna keep them is because they are very comfortable and I don't have many comfortable leggings that I'm just generally comfortable working out in. I think as soon as I'm gonna get something else that's very comfortable, I'm gonna replace these because those are like capri leggings, not very my favorite style, and it's not like usual legging material where it's like buttery and kind of polyester-y, nylon-y feel. 100% cotton, so it's more like soft. So I'm gonna keep it for now, but it's definitely something that I'm gonna say bye to eventually because it's very old and not really the style I would go for. Okay, so the next item I thrifted from Value Village. I really enjoyed it at first. Lululemon legging. I was looking for something just plain dark legging and I went to Value Village and saw it and I was like, okay, that's perfect. It's very long. I'm a very long person, so it was important for me to have my ankles covered because I just hate when my ankles are like super exposed with leggings. I like full length leggings. Just takes me so long to put on. Anyway, they're like extra long and it's like kind of low waist, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it because I couldn't really try it on in Value Village because of the restrictions. The waist is kind of too low for me. I really like high-waisted and it's also not really comfortable. I don't reach for it and I paid just 10 bucks for it, so I don't feel really bad donating it. I don't know, it gives me a weird crotch. I'm just gonna get rid of them. I'm really glad you're here because you're gonna help me to get rid of things like this. I actually bought this with my money new, which is rare because I'm a very cheap person. I don't know if you can tell yet. This is a onesie. And I don't know if I want to get rid of it. It's very nice. Like, I got it off that promotion, you know, the Fabletics promotion, the one that's buy 2 leggings for $24 or $6, whatever. I got the leggings. It's actually these leggings and this onesie. It does look really nice. It's just not that comfortable. Material is kind of too slimy. It's like too smooth, where it's like polyester feel, you know, I don't like it. And my thighs are always rolling up, and it has like a weird like a mesh part on the side. It looks really cool, and I thought it would look cool for photos and stuff like that, but I don't really work out in it. I don't know, I'm gonna try it on. This is what I don't like about Fabletics. It all came with like things out already. Okay, but these leggings that are also from that Fabletic deal, Fabletic thing, they're actually not the best quality. When I got them, there were a few threads that were already coming out, and they're still out. I don't really care for covering them up, but they are just really comfortable. They have a very nice high-waisted band, and it's very like wide, which makes it like very comfortable to work out in and just like walk around the house. I'm not really proud of those leggings, so I'm not really like wearing them out. I really like the pocket in the back. It's really big too. It works for me so well because of how comfortable it is to work out in, and I really do not care about them, so it's very comfortable to wear them without being scared. So yeah, I'm gonna keep these, but this one, I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. I would love to have something similar that's more comfortable, more me, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it just because it's not really working for me. And even though I really like how it looks aesthetically, it's not me. So okay, next thing, I have this workout top. It's kind of not really a workout top, it's just a top. So I really like it. I wear it for workouts. It got donated to me. It's like high neck one. I don't think I will keep it once something else is gonna replace it that is better quality because it is kind of cheapish. Just kind of like a basic sort of top, and I think one of the only reasons why I'm keeping it is because it would go really well with my summer pants that I'm saving for summer. Okay, this item. Again, hype piece. I really wanted to make this video to talk about like hype pieces and how easy it is to kind of like work out a lot and fall into that sort of space where, oh, I need a lot of workout clothes now that look good because I'm a workout person. That's just who I am. Falling into that capitalistic loop because they will target you hard. They don't just sell you clothes. They sell you tickets to the community of that brand. So anyway, let's talk about Alo. That yoga brand. My first stop from Alo. I wanted something from Alo for so long because of how strong their yoga image is, and because I'm a yogi, of course, I want something from Alo. And there was this top on sale. It was like $70 from 100 something. And I was standing there for like 20 minutes deciding whether I need it or not, and I decided that I don't need it. My partner Eric was like, you gotta get it. I'm gonna get it for you. You want it. I know you want it. You wanted Alo for so long, like an Alo item. It's very hard for me to spend money. I remember my partner talked me into buying this top, and I don't regret it. The photos were great. I took a lot of photos with this top, and I was really happy. I think this piece was important for me to not obsess over Alo so much. It just seemed like the brand for me because they do so much yoga. Oh, Alo. But after buying this piece, I think I got a little bit, not disappointed, but more of like, it's just clothes. But yeah, one day I'm hoping to get some PR packages from Alo. That's like a dream, you know? You don't really buy stuff, you just get PR packages. But it's okay, that's in the future. It's not the easiest to put on because it's like very tight, but once I do, it's very nice. It has like it probably has the best inserted cups that I've ever had. It kind of has like leveling to them. I don't know, but it feels very comfortable, and I feel like I'm wearing like a bra top, which it is a bra top. I don't think give it to Alo that it's a very good quality, but it's a very comfortable top. I really enjoy tops that work as bras. I do belong to the community now. Yay, congratulations. Okay, that's my sports bra. The only sports, actually not a sports bra, it's like a tank top that is supposed to be working as a sports bra for me. But because I don't have any breasts, it works for me as a sports bra. And to be honest, this is like the most comfortable sports bra. It's like this ribbed material that's very nice. I wish I had more bras like this, and to be honest, that's the only bra type that I would want ever. I don't really like regular sports bras. Like, I don't have that much to support. Tank tops like this really do the work. Keep. I really want to talk about special pieces, the pieces that make you feel good. It's just like a perfect purchase that really does hit the spot. So this was this legging for me from Lululemon. I don't really have a habit of spending money on new workout clothes because it usually just seems so expensive to me, especially Lululemon. Ever since I got into yoga, I had this kind of like dream of having those really nice pieces that work for me. These leggings, I found them on Lululemon website and I just fell in love with them. They were full price. I rarely buy things full price because I'm a very cheap person. It's 98 Canadian dollars. They were sold out too because of how popular they are. Apparently, I think they're called Nulu leggings. They're just that perfect purchase that I got for myself because I just wanted to, and I made myself a gift without a reason because I felt like this is the right piece. I just love these pants so much. They came in and I just fell in love with them even more, and I've been wearing them ever since. Probably my most worn pair of pants, and they look so good on me. They're extra high-waisted. I can like this is just like the piece that I feel so good about because I look good in it, I invested in it, my money. Yeah, and I just really appreciate it, like every week. It's something that makes me feel really good, and it's mine. Like I bought it new and no one gave it to me. One of the best pieces I have in my closet. I would get rid of everything but this. The bell bottoms feel so nice and freeing. Like sometimes leggings feel so tight on my ankles and it's just like I remember always that I'm wearing leggings, but these kind of make me forget I'm wearing pants. And my partner actually got me another pair in a different color, blue, on my birthday because he heard me raving about those pants so much and how much I love them and how much I miss them when they're in the laundry. What am I gonna wear? I'm only wearing those pants. These are the blue ones. They're so pretty. I just really want to save them for summer when I can rock them outside as my pants because they really do look like nice casual pants even though they're meant to be like leggings. So I really love those. They're so nice. My life quality just like went pew, and I'm just so happy I invested in them. Lululemon sponsor me. So my second bra is this one. It got donated to me by my sister-in-law again, and it's actually looks like I have much more chest than I do, which I like about this bra, but I think I'm gonna get rid of it when I actually get a second sports bra. As soon as I get a pair to this sports bra, I'm gonna get rid of this because it's just not really me. Yeah, it just doesn't feel like my bra, even though it's nice. So next piece, I actually got this in Thailand on like a street market for I think less than $1. And it's just like a regular basic tank top, but it's probably my favorite tank top ever. And I really want to find more tank tops like this because it just works so well. It's so nice and flattering and it's just so basic and so easy. I started being really obsessed with ribbed materials. I love working out in it. Okay, let's talk about this. So these shorts, I actually bought them new off the Gymshark website because I don't have any shorts. I really wanted shorts and these were actually cheap. They were on sale too and I was like, Gymshark, yay, the club. These are the only shorts I own, so I'm not gonna replace them yet, but they do ride up terribly. They always ride up. I actually saw a TikTok of how to choose shorts without it riding up on your thighs. If you have bigger thighs, you need to look at your thick part of the thigh, which is the round part, the thick part, and you need to basically choose shorts that go below your thick part so it doesn't ride up. Now I'm gonna get shorts that are longer so they don't ride up, now that I know how that works. To be honest, I always grab them to work out in. They're super easy, can't complain. Pretty nice. I do enjoy the shark logo. And talking about bra tops, this is another purchase that I made from Lululemon. It was on sale. I bought it actually with my favorite pants ever. It's like a military print and it's like high neck, which I seem to prefer. If I would know how it worked for me, I would probably not buy it again because it's just a bit too tight. But it really works for my workouts. It's probably my go-to top. I really like it and it looks really solid. I really like Lululemon and so far they've been a hit. There's also this. This is my, I think, only Aritzia buy, you know, the TNA Aritzia. So I got myself a bicycle legging. I never had a bicycle legging and I know they've been very popular and they seem like a very comfortable workout clothes. And I have like longer legs, so shorts don't always work out for me, especially as you've seen, they always ride up. So I got these fun ones. I probably wouldn't wear them out because they're kind of see-through, even though I can put a right underwear with it and you don't really see my butt. Pluses, I really like the functionality of it. The bicycle legging is a great concept for shorts and working out. The cons are it's see-through, it doesn't really match all of my other stuff. There's no top that I would wear with it. It kind of rides up, even though it's a bicycle legging, it rides up. Like it's always kind of like this. And there's also this mesh part that I'm not a fan of. Sometimes I do reach for it when everything's in laundry, but it's okay. I think I'm just gonna get rid of it because I am trying to, you know, minimize and you are holding me accountable, so thank you for that. You know, the older I get, I understand you have to have basics first, like good, solid basics, and I am willing to invest my time in looking for good stuff that will work for me for a long time. That's a no. Last piece I forgot to mention, I was wearing it the whole time. It's the top my sister-in-law donated to me, and it was used to be like a dress, and I cropped it to be a top. And it's just very nice, comfortable and stretchy. Just a nice comfy home thing. Nothing I'm attached to, nothing that works for me perfectly, just a nice top. So yeah, we got rid of some stuff. So I got rid of 1, 2, 4 things. So I had 17, now I have 13 things. So now the only clothing that I kept is serving me a function, and it has purpose to give me that comfort and provide that support that I need. I really like not having much pride in my clothing because it just makes me depend on it too much, and I feel really good getting rid of it and not having that guilty feeling of seeing it every time in my closet and not choosing to wear it because today is not a day I look good enough to wear it. I hope you got inspired to get into your closet and question what really serves you and what you want to work out in. And I think workout clothes should definitely be under the most quality control in your closet. I really like decluttering, and I'm just happy I have a channel to share it on. Thank you for joining me today. It means a lot you stay till the end of the video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.